So I made an AI version of the game Among Us where you will be interrogating different LLMs to find out who is actually the imposter, and you'll be cross-referencing alibis. So I've already entered my OpenAPI key. I'm going to be starting the game. And as you can see, what it's doing right now is it's generating a common script of events that happen, and it's time-stamping them. And then those events, they're involving multiple players. They get assigned to the different NPCs. So every NPC only has access to the events that it was involved in, right? To things that it has access to. So every NPC only knows what it saw. And there's a common script of events that are timestamped. And so this is actually playing out a story that's actually happened. It's not just hallucinating things on the spot. And I find that this architecture actually helps make the gameplay feel more real. And also by having, I implemented prompt chaining. So the script, the LLM, GPT-4, it creates one timestamp at a time. And so what this does is it allows it to build on top of previous events. And so this makes it actually make sense and be more comprehensive. So as you can see, I'm going to be asking a little question really quick. This is one of my favorite questions to ask. And as you can see, I will be getting a response. I will ask every LLM this real quick. These are the different suspects, and you have a total of 30 questions you can ask. It's a bit of latency. I'll be working on reducing that as you just ask every LLM this. And you can select who you're interrogating, and you can see the different chats. And then lastly, screen, but while you're waiting for that, you can look at other ones. So, alright, so let's see. What timestamp was the body discovered, and where? Tell me. So you can't really play through it in 5 minutes, but around time 4, in electrical, around time 4, exit navigation, time 4, lower engine, time 4, shield comms, time 4, communications, and into electrical. So it's likely that blue is the imposter, based on what I've heard, that it's gone to electrical. Now I've actually played this game quite a bit because I made it, so I'm pretty confident it's blue, but you can take your time and actually interrogate the different LLMs. But I'm just gonna, since this video is running short, I'm just gonna take my best guess and hope that it's blue that is the imposter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go here, select imposter, and I'm just gonna guess it's blue. I guessed right, so I'm pretty happy about that. So now I guessed that, and now I can play again if I like, and now it's generating a new game with my API key. So that really shows the game that I made. And also, so now for future work, a problem that I encountered is that if you gaslight the API hard enough, any API or any NPC will confess to being an imposter, whether it is or not. And so I need to create evals or evaluations that can filter to make sure nobody is confessing, because that really reduces how fun the game is if you can just gaslight any NPC and then admitting that it's the imposter. And so that's something that I think I can improve on in the future, and this is something I'm really proud of, I'm really passionate about, and I hope you guys enjoyed.